6 minus 5 parenthesis 5 minus 6. 6 minus 5 which equals to 1 times 5 minus 6 which equal to minus 1, and 1 times minus 1 which equals to minus 1. Do you think this is the right answer? We will check out. And if you have already solved this, and comment your answer to get featured in a shortcut list. These are top commenters, you can be the part of this list. So here we will solve with the help of PEMDAS, parenthesis, exponent multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. We will rewrite our question here: 6 minus 5 and 5 minus 6. So according to PEMDAS, first we have to operate this parenthesis, that is 5 minus 6 which equals to minus 1. So we will simply write 6 minus 5 times minus 1. Now here are two operations actually, that is subtraction and multiplication. So according to PEMDAS, next preference will be given to multiplication. So we will multiply these values. So we will write 6 minus 5 times 1, that is minus 5. And minus, in the next step, as you know, minus multiplied, we will get plus, and plus times minus is equal to minus, and plus times plus which equals to plus. So here minus it will give result plus. So we can write 6 plus 5 which equals to 11. So here right answer is 11, not minus 1. Okay, and try to solve this math question. These are very tricky math question. If you are solving in the right way, you will get the right answer. And comment your answer, and like and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.